Hello, today I will be showing you how to install and troubleshoot HeartMApp. To begin, you must have an Android smartphone with a version 4.4 or higher to download the mobile app. To confirm that your Android smartphone has the latest version, go to your settings, scroll down until you see About Phone. Click on About Phone, and then make sure that your Android smartphone has the version 4.4 or higher and you're ready to go. Now, you must make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go to your settings and click on Enable Wi-Fi to your local network. Since HeartMApp is not currently available to download in the mobile Play Store, go to your settings, scroll down until you see Security. Click on Security, and then scroll down until you see Unknown Sources. You must click on Unknown Sources to be able to download the application. You'll be prompted to click OK. Now, go to your email account. Once you are in your email account, click on the email that was sent to you by HeartMApp. You will be prompted to download the file attached. Click on the file. At this point, the application will be downloading to your phone. The application will automatically appear. It will prompt you and ask you to install the application. Click Next, and then Install. Click Done. Go back to your home screen. Now, to locate the application, go into your apps. HeartMApp should be located there. To begin using HeartMApp, click on Sign Up. A disclaimer will appear. Please read the disclaimer before downloading, then click Accept. After accepting the disclaimer, you can sign up to use HeartMApp. To create an account, begin by signing in with your name, date of birth, gender, your height, phone number and email, and caretaker information, which will be the number 2, and click No if you are the patient. Next, create a username and password. This could be your name and a password that is familiar to you. Click on Sign Up. You will now be logged into HeartMApp. Once you have completed this registration, you will stay logged into your account. If you receive a message that says HeartMApp stopped unexpectedly, you may have an issue with your Wi-Fi connection. Please go to your settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. If you are without of range, wait till you are within range to use HeartMApp. If you continue to have problems, please contact the principal investigator. Thank you, and we look forward to delivering you HeartMApp.